Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Today we are going to learn how to make 2DC cluster, 3DC cluster. It's generally called 2DCs together and 3DCs together, which gives the cluster effect. When 3DC together are worked in the same stitch, you get the cluster, DC cluster. So for that I'm going to use, like yesterday, the same pistachio green Hobby Store 100% iron yarn, which is anti-pill. It's premium acrylic yarn and its color code is 2021. So for this you can have any number of chains, but if you're going to work in the alternating chains, you need to have multiple odd number of stitches or chain even number. Okay, so you can chain any number. For demonstration I will just chain a few chains to the length required for demo. So yarn over the hook, in the third chain from the hook, insert your hook, pick up the yarn, pull through 2. It's incomplete double crochet. You're not completing the double crochet. Again yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have made 2 incomplete double crochets, yarn over and pull through all 3 of them. It becomes a 2DC cluster. So again you can work in the next chain, or if you're going to miss this chain, you chain 1 and skip 1. For clarity I am doing this. You can work in adjacent stitches, no problem at all. Again yarn over, so this can be termed as 2DC cluster. Yarn, chain 1, skip 1, incomplete DC, pick up the yarn, pull through, again yarn over, pull through 2. When you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3. So this is your 2DC cluster. So I'll chain 1, skip 1. It's not necessary to skip 1. For clarity's sake, I'm skipping 1 and working and showing you. If it is work in adjacent stitch, there is no need of number of any number of chains you can work on. Yarn over, skip 1. Again in the same stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 3. So now we are left with 2 stitches. In the last you can place your, this first chain you can convert it as a slip knot, and without chaining 1 you can place your DC here. You start with a DC, end with a DC. Okay, and just pull this tight. Then again turn over. As usual I'll make my standing double crochet. And we are not going to work, you can work on this also, or we'll work between the spaces. So chain 1. Now I will demonstrate 3DC cluster. So for that, yarn over the hook, insert in that space, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 first time. Again yarn over, insert the hook under the same space, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Second half DC done. Again second incomplete DC, half DC will mean different. Again yarn over, insert under the same stitch, pick up the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. The third incomplete DC is done. Now you will have 4 loops on the hook, pull through all of them, chain, then chain 1. Chain 1 is not necessary when you are working in adjacent stitches. Because I am skipping this, I am chaining 1. Yarn over, insert, again yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through 2. Again 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. So these 3 DC clusters are formed. This is how they will look, and they are filling and they grow fast, and you can use them for any type of carding projects that you like, any type of wearables you like. You can use them for your scarves and whatnot. And you can use them as some decorative stitches in between your patterns too. So I'll make one more time. Yarn over the hook, insert under the stitch specified, pick up the yarn, pull through 2. This is the first incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, again insert, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. The second double crochet, yarn over, again insert under the same space, pick up and pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. The third incomplete double crochet, and yarn over, pull through all of them. So this is how 3DC cluster is worked. I shall make one more. Yarn over, insert in the space, yarn over, again same space, second incomplete DC, yarn over, insert, third incomplete DC, yarn over and pull through all of them. Now the last stitch is going to be your double crochet. So this is how it will look. This is 2 DC cluster and this is 3 DC cluster. This is how it is worked. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day. We are going to use this cluster in the next video. That is why this video has been created. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload a video. Once again, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.